Welcome back, Eielson, to the 354th Force Support Squadron online web reservation and payment system. This site gives DoD authorized patrons the ability to select and pay for events, facility, and campground reservations. Today, I'm going to virtually walk you through the process of changing your password, login name, or email address assigned to your account. First, you'll select Login and fill in your username and temporary password. Then you'll select My Account at the top of the screen. Next, you'll select Account Settings. On this screen, you can make changes to your login name, password, and email address. After you have made the changes, scroll to the bottom and select the Submit button. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you exploring Eielson and our surrounding areas.